Germs are yucky. They hang out in our bodies, get us sick, and spread any chance they get. Like in an uncovered cough, like this. Or an uncovered sneeze, like this. There's this one germ called pertussis, or whooping cough, that is super bad. This germ makes people suck air in so hard that it makes a whooping noise. Ouch! Babies cannot fight this germ very well and get really sick when the germ gets breathed into their tiny lungs. Poor babies. And it's really, really important that we keep this nasty germ from spreading. Some shots might help stop it, but a great way to keep it from spreading is to cover your cough the right way, like this. Cough into your elbow. We love our families, friends, ourselves, and especially babies. Cover your cough and sneeze.